transforming everyday ingredients into custom-crafted frozen desserts without pre-freezing bulky freezer bowls or settling for store-bought additives usually means stepping into viral kitchen gadget territory. The Ninja CREAmi 7-in-1 ice cream maker model and C299 Yemzi redefines homemade dessert appliances by combining a powerful motor-driven shaving blade system, total dietary customization, and simple one-touch operation into a sleek countertop package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its proprietary CREAMi technology, paired with a precision-weighted creamerizer paddle. Instead of slowly churning liquid ingredients over ice or salt like traditional ice cream makers, the CREAmi requires you to freeze your base solid for 24 hours. Once locked in, the heavy-duty motor drives a specialized vertical paddle down through the frozen block at high speeds, finely shaving and blending the ice crystals into an astonishingly smooth, creamy consistency in minutes. Performance and everyday versatility streamline dessert prep for everyone from fitness enthusiasts to sweet tooth families. The unit features 7 versatile one-touch programs: ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in, allowing you to whip up everything from rich, decadent treats to dairy-free, low-sugar, keto, or high-protein options. Cleanup is just as straightforward, thanks to top-rack dishwasher-safe containers, lids, and paddles. Things to consider before you buy. Because the machine relies entirely on the CREAMi shaving process, you must prep and freeze your base containers for a full 24 hours before you can spin a dessert, meaning spontaneous, last-minute batches require planning ahead. Additionally, extra pint containers are often a must-have accessory, so you can keep multiple flavor bases frozen and ready to go in your freezer at the same time. So who is this really for? This popular ice cream maker is an absolute home run for health-conscious foodies, macro trackers wanting high-protein ice creams, families with kids, and anyone who loves customizing unique flavor combinations and mix-ins right at home. If you are looking for a commercial-grade, continuous batch soft-serve machine for large crowds or prefer a traditional machine that churns liquid mix instantly without prior freezing, the 24-hour prep cycle won't suit your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value total control over your ingredients, the ability to effortlessly spin healthy or indulgent treats on demand, texturally flawless results via CREAMi technology, and endless mix and customization, it is a premier, highly entertaining investment for your kitchen.